This is the elevator. I forgot the address of this place on Mary Street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally an old freight elevator, but it was replaced with this Otis hydraulic elevator with the 211 controller in, I think, 2010 to 12, something like that. Got two. Instant car wreck. And turn it up. Reflective stainless scout. Here, two. Back down to one. That time wasn't instant. The red halo phone button. It's a basic stainless steel, like I said, reflective cab. Kind of reflective. Actually, it's not super reflective. It's more reflective on camera. Here, back at one. Is the fan just turned on? That's weird. It's really quiet. I don't think it was before. It says it's off there. Oh no, I think there's like a fan out here that turned on. Here, there, close enough, that's gonna be it. Yeah, that's an old in case of fire sign. You could tell this was an old freight, and on the records showed an old freight too.